Hello, students. Today we are going to be learning about compound sentences. For some of you, this might be a review, and for others, it might be something you are still learning. Now, before we can jump into compound sentences, we need to review simple sentences. Simple sentences are the easiest type of sentence that you can write. They are a subject and a predicate. They start with a capital, they have punctuation at the end. As a quick reminder, a subject is the noun, person, place, or thing that is doing the action, and the predicate is that action and any information about it. So, the cat meows loudly. The cat is our subject. Meows loudly is our predicate. The cat is the thing that is meowing. In our second sentence, the dog wanted a treat. The dog is the subject. Wanted a treat is the predicate. The dog is the thing that wants a treat. In our third sentence, the birds and bugs sing in the tree. What do you think is the subject? If you said the birds and bugs, you are correct. This subject has two things in it. The birds and the bugs are singing in the tree. They are both doing this action. These are simple sentences. They have a single subject and a single predicate, and there's no commas in there at all. Now that we know what a simple sentence is, let's talk about compound sentences. In a compound sentence, you're going to take two simple sentences. Sometimes we call them independent clauses this way because they could be independent. They could be by themselves. We have two simple sentences and we combine them with a comma and a fanboys conjunction. Now, fanboys is a way for us to remember the coordinating conjunctions. That's the fancy word for them. But the fanboys are for and nor, but, or yet so. Say that again. For and nor, but, or yet so. Those are our fanboy conjunctions. So a compound sentence is simple sentence, comma, fanboy, simple sentence. Capitalize the beginning, punctuation at the end. Let's look at an example. The dog was hungry, but the bowl was empty. Each side of this is a simple sentence. They could stand by themselves. The dog was hungry. Subject, predicate. The bowl was empty. Subject, predicate. And we are combining them with a comma and one of our fanboys. Capitalize the beginning, punctuation at the end. Let's look at another. The cat was very cute, so the girl wanted to keep it. Again, each half of this could be a sentence by itself. The cat was very cute. Subject, predicate. The little girl wanted to keep it. Subject, predicate. We are combining them with a comma fanboys. Capitalization, punctuation. One more example. The birds and bugs were flying, and the cat watched them. Again, simple sentence, combined with a comma and a fanboys. That's the pattern you got to learn. Let's look at some examples. We got these two sentences here. The boy was hungry, he got a snack. How would you combine these into a compound sentence? If you said the boy was hungry, comma, so he got a snack, then you are correct. We're going to check. We have a comma? Yes, right here at the end of the first sentence. Do we have a fanboys? Yes, right after the comma. We've capitalized the beginning and there's punctuation at the end. So simple sentence, comma, fanboy, simple sentence. Let's try it again. The book was good. I didn't finish it. How can we combine these? The book was good, but I didn't finish it. Let's check. We got a comma? Yes, after the first sentence. We got a fanboys? Yes, in between them. Capitalize the beginning, punctuation at the end. We got simple sentence, comma, fanboys, simple sentence. One more. The turtles and fish swam in the pond. The dogs barked at them. How can we combine these? The turtles and fish swam in the pond, comma, and the dogs barked at them. We got our comma right here, our fanboys right here. Simple sentence, comma, fanboys, simple sentence. Capitalized, punctuated. Fantastic. All right, before we go, we got one more thing I got to talk about, and that is this thing called a semicolon. Semicolon is this little punctuation mark right here, and it's a cheat code for compound sentences. You can use a semicolon to replace the comma fanboys completely. So in a normal compound sentence, we'd say the dog barked, comma, and the cat ran away. Simple sentence, comma fanboys, simple sentence. The semicolon is a cheat code. You can just say the dog barked, semicolon, the cat ran away. This is still a correct compound sentence because we're using this cheat code here with the semicolon. One more example. The dinner was burned, so we ordered pizza. That's a compound sentence. Simple sentence, comma, fanboys, simple sentence. If we wanted to use a semicolon, we can use it as a cheat code to replace the comma fanboys and just say the dinner was burned, semicolon, we ordered pizza. There you go. That is everything you need to know about compound sentences. If you have a question, ask your teacher.